Hi, my name is Daniel and I'm the Managing Director of Passport Legacy in Singapore. In this video, I will introduce you the Portugal Residence by Investment Program, also known as the Portugal Golden Residency Permit. We will go through the details of the requirements, process, costs and benefit. I will also answer the most frequently asked questions about this program. The Portuguese government passed a law in October 2012 to launch its Residence by Investment Program. To be eligible for this program, you should be 18 years of age, in good health, and present a clean criminal record. As this is a residence program, you are required to spend 7 days per year in the country during the first 5 years. You also have to proceed with an investment in real estate or a capital transfer or create jobs in the country. The most popular investment option is real estate, and for that you need to proceed with a 500,000 euros investment into real estate projects. If the property is in an urban regeneration area or the construction was more than 30 years ago, the investment amount is reduced from 500,000 euros to 350,000 euros. If the property is in a low density area, the minimum investment is only 280,000 euros. There are taxes related to the property transfer of up to 8%, depending on the property value and its location. Investors are required to pay additional fees for annual property tax, property stamp duty, as well as for the renewals of the residency cards. In addition to the minimum investment, there are government processing fee as well as a professional fee that need to be considered for your application. If you want to have all details related to the application, including the cost for your family, please do book a free consultation and one of our consultants will advise you accordingly. We would like to emphasize that from the launch of the program in 2012, more than 5,000 families have obtained their residency card, and since 2019, the first citizenships were approved. The process to obtain the Golden Residency Permit can take up to 9 months, and the process is divided in 7 steps. Step 1. We will proceed with background checks to make sure that you qualify for the Golden Residency Permit. If the background checks are positively completed, we will then proceed with a client agreement and a retainer invoice will be paid from your side to kickstart the application process and move into the next step. Step 2. Our team will assist you in the collection of all required documents for the application, and we will also assist you with the legalization and translation of these documents. Step 3. We will introduce you to different real estate options. Once you have made your choice, a capital transfer is required to finalize the purchase of the property. Step 4. With the purchase and registration of your property completed, we can then proceed and submit your application. The pre-approval process will take 4 to 6 weeks. Step 5. Once your application is pre-approved, all applicants in the application will have to submit their biometric data to the government. Simultaneously, the residency card application is submitted. Step 6. Once the residency application has been approved, your residency cards will be issued. Once you pay the remaining professional fee, the residency card will be delivered to you. Step 7. To maintain your residency status, you need to visit Portugal 2 weeks every 2 years, and this can be done 1 week per year as well. As a resident of Portugal, you'll be a resident of a European Union country. Therefore, you will benefit from visa-free travel in the European Schengen area. You will access premium healthcare as well as education facilities in Portugal. If you fulfill all minimum requirements, after 5 years of residence, you may be eligible for Portuguese citizenship. The Portuguese passport is always ranked among the top 5 in the world and grants you visa-free access to 185 countries around the globe, including US, Canada and Singapore. Yes, you can. In fact, you can include your spouse, your children below 18. If your children are above 18, they can also be included as long as they are students. You can also include your parents if they are financially dependent on you. Yes, if you want to apply for citizenship, you will be required to pass a basic language test. We have an approval rate of more than 99%. However, before we start working together, we will do an eligibility assessment and see if there are any risks involved. After obtaining your residency card, you are eligible to live, work, study, start a business, retire in Portugal. You can of course travel freely within the European Schengen area. Once you obtain the Portuguese citizenship, then you can live, settle down wherever you want in the European Union. Again, thank you so much for your interest in the Portugal Golden Residency Permit. If you would like to know more, please contact us on the details provided here on the screen.